Everything else can wait, but not agriculture. Believe it or not, a challenge has always been the key to the most discoveries. India, a land of many terrains, a land of many crops, a challenge that could tempt anyone working in the field of agriculture. We took the challenge head-on. This land of unity and diversity welcomed us with great warmth. The love we received inspired us to deliver nothing less than the best. The first manufacturing unit at Faridabad quickly became the house of new innovations for Indian agricultural marvels like Crop Tiger 30 Terra Track and Crop Tiger 30. In Morinda, near Chandigarh, Claas India's production facility is spread over 25 acres, equipped with state-of-the-art production technologies. Claas India increased reach and strengthened its commitment towards customers by building state-of-the-art warehouse facility in Bengaluru. We designed machines that understood Indian conditions, fuel-efficient, user-friendly, excellent performance on field, powerful and reliability are the reasons which made our products a revolution on Indian fields. The Indian agriculture is experiencing a rapid growth with strong potential expected for future growth as well. Indian farmers are waking up to the benefits of agricultural machinery. When it comes to trusting an equipment for their harvest, they choose the best, a product that's class apart. Our past has been an evidence of our achievements through our innovations, and our future is all set to witness a new dawn of progress and prosperity. We are Claas in India.